Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the simple step-by-step process to verify your Foap photo seller account and get your photography career underway. Welcome to our channel. This guide will walk you through the professional and straightforward steps to verify your Foap photo seller account, so you can start selling your amazing photos to a worldwide audience. First, sign into your Foap account or create a new one if you haven't already. The process starts by providing accurate personal information, including your full name, email address, and a secure password. Once inside your dashboard, navigate to the account settings or profile section. Here you'll find an option to verify your account, which is essential to start selling photos on Foap. Verification confirms your identity and establishes trust with the platform and potential buyers. Step 1 involves submitting a valid form of government-issued identification, such as a passport or driver's license. Make sure the document is clear, legible, and up to date. Carefully upload the photo of your ID through the verification page. Follow any specific instructions provided by Foap, including acceptable formats and size limits. After submitting your ID, Foap may ask for additional verification steps, such as linking your PayPal account for payments or confirming your phone number. This helps secure your account and simplifies transactions. Step 2 is to wait patiently while Foap reviews your documents. The review period typically lasts a few hours to a couple of days, depending on workload. At this stage, it's important to avoid making changes to your account details so as not to delay verification. If there are any issues or clarifications needed, the Foap team will contact you via email or through the platform messaging system. Once your verification is approved, your profile will be updated to reflect your status as a verified seller, and you can start uploading high-quality photos for sale. Make sure your photos meet Foap's content guidelines and use descriptive titles and tags to attract buyers. Remember that consistent uploads and engaging with the community can increase your sales opportunities. To summarize the process, first, create and log into your Foap account. Provide accurate personal information. Next, submit your valid government-issued ID. Then complete any additional verification requests and wait for confirmation. When you are verified, your selling journey on Foap can officially begin, and you will enjoy the benefits of a trusted platform dedicated to photographers. Don't forget at the very end to always adhere to Foap's guidelines and maintain your seller account up to date for maximum success. Channel support is key, so make sure to keep exploring tips and tutorials related to photography, sales, and online platforms. Thank you for joining us on this step-by-step walkthrough. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video for more insightful content about photography and online selling.